In a small Hawaiian village, there lived a wise and humble healer named Dr. Kanoa. People from all over came to him, seeking peace, healing, and clarity in their lives. But Dr. Kanoa did not prescribe medicines or offer grand rituals. Instead, he taught them a simple but profound practice, Ho'oponopono, the art of healing through forgiveness and love. The cursed prison. The mysterious healer. One day, a group of village elders approached Dr. Kanoa with an unusual request. There is a prison on the outskirts of our village, they explained. The prisoners there are violent, hopeless, and full of anger. No one can control them, and even the guards fear them. Can you help? Dr. Kanoa agreed, but under one condition: he would not meet the prisoners face to face. Instead, he asked for their files, pictures, names, and details about their crimes. Then, he sat alone in his small hut and began his unusual healing method, healing without touch. Every day, Dr. Kanoa took each prisoner's file, held it in his hands, and whispered 4 simple phrases: "I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you." He repeated these words over and over while looking at their pictures, imagining their pain, their past struggles, and their untold stories. He did not blame them for their crimes. Instead, he took responsibility for their suffering, believing that healing others starts with healing ourselves. Days turned into weeks, and something miraculous happened. The transformation. The prisoners, once violent and restless, began to change. The guards noticed a sudden peace in the cells. The fight stopped, and prisoners who had never spoken a kind word started helping each other. Within a few months, the prison became a place of calmness and rehabilitation instead of fear and punishment. The authorities were stunned. They had tried every form of discipline, but nothing had worked, until now. And the strangest part? Dr. Kanoa had never even set foot inside the prison. When asked about his secret, he simply smiled and said, "When I heal myself, I heal the world around me."